How to update Evony Game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update the Evony Game on your device. Keeping your game updated ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes and improvements. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, unlock your device and go to the Play Store if you are using Android device or the App Store if you are using iPhone, because this is where you find the latest updates for the Evony games. Once you are inside the store, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. And after that, you can tap on search bar and type Evony and simply search for it. And here, as you can see, I have the latest version of the game, so there isn't any available update options. But if there is any new update available, you will see the update button instead of the usual play button. And if you see the update option, tap on it to start downloading the latest version. And after tapping update, your device will begin downloading and installing the latest version. So make sure you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi network or have enough mobile data to avoid interruptions. And once the update is installed, tap on play to launch the game and enjoy the latest improvements and features. And that's it. That's how you can update Evony games. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.